Because it's active dice. Hindi mawawala yan. And if you have more than 3 dice in machine, you can operate both at the same time. Okay? So, that's the round. Pero balik ito ha. Okay, so the remote here, just like the other remote, I don't want to make it more complicated than it is. We have a night mode. So it purifies ashes-sleep and it keeps the weight down so it can keep the heating. Okay? Next slide, please. And as you saw the filter, where's the filter? Okay. The filter is 360 degrees. Unlike other filters are just flat. Okay? Now the best filter out there is how dense it is. Now Bryson just made it more dense. That's why we're able to capture 0.1. So are they ready? Are contestants ready? Okay, ready. Let's go to the testers. Alright. Give them a round of applause. Okay. Because they joined, they get 10 extra of their Tony cards into the fishbowl, which means they have more chances of winning our grand prize for today, which is a vacuum cleaner from Dyson. What do we get from Dyson? Give me out a vacuum cleaner. It's our latest vacuum cleaner. We call it our V6 Matrix. Perfect for your lens, your sofas. Okay. So you stand here right behind. Okay, right behind. Alright. And then you hold on the filter.
Go, Ross.
Okay. So when they're done, you have to put up your hand. And when you put up your hand, you leave the post, okay? So are you ready? Your name is Ross and Mark. Okay. Here we go. Ross, Mark, go! Dali-dali mo gawin. Yes, ayun. Okay. Okay. Ross, open. Okay. That's how easy it is to change it, okay? So thank you very much, Ross and Mark. You can go to sell with them for your prize. Okay, both of you. You have a prize. Put it muna kayo dyan. Para secret, okay? So just to show you how easy it is compared to the other cards. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Thank you, Mark. Okay. Next slide, please. So just to show you how easy it is for your yaya or any one of you to change it. Now, ladies, we discussed pure, we discussed cool, now we discuss liquid. And this is the one I'm very excited about. The feature I'm excited about. Next slide, please. You can control now your pure cooling using your Android phone or your iPhone. So for the first time ever, you can control your machine using your phone or your iPad, as long as my Wi-Fi comes. How does that work for you? Now it tells you exactly what's going on inside your house. If it says good, then malinis room na yun. And you can actually call your yaya and say, Yaya, pag-ilipat na sa kitchen yung tayo sa kitchen para malinis na yung kitchen. Pag nalinis na yung kitchen, Yaya, pag-ilipat na sa bedroom. So now, we don't have to, hindi na kayo nagtatantsakan na malinis na kayo yung kwarto ko. Ngayon, alam nyo na exactly anong oras. Yes, from the app. Okay? So kahit nasa Hong Kong kayo, nasa Shopee, kahit nasa Japan kayo, napapakasyon, o nasa LA kayo, nasa Disneyland, basta may Wi-Fi kayo, you can turn any of this. So kayo na ko yung yaya, bukas mag-isa, sasabihin niya yaya sa'yo, Ma'am, may nito tayo sa bahay. Bakit? Kasi yung fan natin ang bukas mag-isa. Sabihin mo, oh, mag-isa tayo, kaya huwag kang makulit. Behave ka. So there, you can turn it on, you can change the speed, you can make it rotate, everything. And it gives you a graph. So the higher it goes here, yellow means better, green means good. So now, it tells you throughout the day kung pinakamaganda yung air quality nito. So assuming breakfast marami ng minuto, di ba? And lunch, malamang bias na pinaka-producer. So you turn it on, breakfast and lunch. Okay? So now you have a graph throughout your week. Sabihin niya, throughout the week, ma'am, sabihin niya ng app na pag Monday, malinis. Pag Tuesday, pinakatuloy. So you set it all for Tuesday. Okay? Next.
Yan ang binigay.
So that's the nice pure cool lake.
Nice.
Our
Galing,
best
galing.
set in our purifier in one. Okay. Now the next thing I'm talking about is our V8 plumbing. Next slide. Please watch this video. This is what we're launching today.
Binidyo mo ba ako?
Slick vacuum.
Pakat ng ganon. Yun sa Porsche na yan. Hindi.
I'll show you all the features in it. It has the same attachments. When I say attachments, the one is our bestseller, and this one has also the same number of accessories. So we expect also this to sell a lot.
Lolo ko. Ginaganon ako. Hindi na ano. Pumangal. Gano'n may ano. Wala lang ba? Wala pa marunong. Hi. Hello. Registered ako sa Rapon. Rapon, registered ako.
Do we have Francis?
Mama.
This is our Dyson fluffy.
Rapon, baka pareho kayong manalo.
Let me show you first this one. This is Francis over here. This is our best seller for our stick. Okay. Now this is our new one, X19. So you can tell the difference in the color. This blue one is our fluffy. The one with the gold. And this, okay. The gold is our V8 fluffy. Now what's the difference? I'll tell you in a second. First of all, let's talk about the leg. Okay, same leg, right? Same leg, and you can make it from a stick, you can make it a handheld. What's the same? So cleaning in around the kitchen, cleaning around your bar. Yung mga husbands na bumili na ganito, hindi ka nag-release ng kotse, sana disco, ginawa mo na. Okay, so what's the difference? How you release all your accessories. Formerly, you need two hands to release it. So put it back. So isang kamay para pinitid ito, isang kamay para pinitid yan. But now it's different now. It's a small improvement. One hand, that's it. Okay? It's a small improvement, pero sa mga gumagamit, malaking bagay, hindi ka nagagamit. Okay? Pero kung kaya mo lang yan dahil malaking ginagamit. Okay? But now it's easier. So that's the first difference. So all the attachments get on that. Quick release. Next difference, bin size. Okay? Bin size. This one is 30% bigger. Okay, this is our best seller. Now it's 30% bigger. Okay? Next. It's how we release. Yeah, may kumenta, no? Now how you release the dust, dirt, and stuff? No. That's how it's released, right? But now, we made it easier because our customers were saying, nahirapan sila release kung dito sa loob. That's stuff. So now, this is how you release it. Okay? Okay? So now, it releases itself. Automatic, natatanggal na yung nakastock dito. Okay, again, show you that again. This is how our best seller does it. And this is how the field comes. Okay? This is a small improvement, but it makes your life a lot easier. Next difference. Now this one, our best seller, over there. The power that we have in here, there's a small motor over there. Okay? It's 10 times faster than the Boeing 747. This is the V6. This is for our best seller. Okay? It's 5 times faster than a F1 car. The way it rotates. Okay? So this one is more powerful. Next slide, please. It's the V6. Now we are with the V8 now. This is the V8. So this is obviously more than 10 times faster than your engine of your plane, and more than 5 times faster, okay, than your F1 car. So it's more powerful, okay? Bestseller, more powerful with the V8 plug-in. The next difference that we have is, this is what I'm very proud of. Now, hindi siya ganun ka-ilan sa pagdinig. We're talking about acoustics. Now, Dyson employed a lot of engineers to improve the acoustics. So now, listen to it if you can. It's kind of noisy in here, but let's go in the normal mode. Go ahead. So this is more powerful, yet it's more quiet. Okay, again, this is our bestseller, normal mode, and then this is our, so you can tell the difference, right? This is more powerful, yet it's more quiet. Now we have a max mode. Let's show them our max mode. Okay, go in max mode. When you press max mode, you want to use max mode, but maraming na yan, okay? When we go in max mode here, we go in max mode. Okay? So it's still at max mode, it's still more quiet than just so again, max mode. Okay, now you can tell the difference. Anyway, you'll be holding in your hand later on, so you can tell the difference. Okay, another difference. Runtime. Okay, for a bestseller, the runtime was 30 minutes. Now it's 40 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, 40 minutes of full charge. And then when you use the max mode, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, so that's the main difference there. So it's a lot more powerful, bigger pin, but same weight, same everything. That's more of the power. Okay. So thank you very much, Francis. Next slide, please. Oh, by the way, it also has filtration. Okay. By the way, I forgot to mention, it also has a HEPA filter. So the air that is coming out of your vacuum is cleaner than the air that's going in. So in a way, partner siyang purifier. Kasi may HEPA filter siya. So up to 0.3 microns kaya na. Okay? That's just a side benefit of it. We're not saying it's a purifier and a vacuum in one. We're just saying that it cleans the air. So while you're cleaning your car, while you're exactly. While you're cleaning your car and your room, it also cleans the air. Alright. Okay, so that is all about our Dyson Pure Cooling. I hope I was able to make it clear of how it works and what makes it different from others and what makes it different from the previous model. Okay, so now, just to show you how it works with the Wi-Fi, let's call it Play over here. Excuse me. So Leo, show them the iPad. So you have your iPad, okay? You can connect your iPad, it's easy. Download the app, it's a free app, okay? So, Leo. Gusto ko lang kasama, so number 2, gawin mo number 10. So you will see from 2, it will become 10. Yes, so we'll pass. So he's just using Wi-Fi, hindi na ginagamit ang remote. Hindi kami nandalaya, pwede hawakan yung gusto nyo. Walang pwede yung remote. Okay, pa-oscillate mo. So even though you're in the US or wherever you are, you're in Starbucks, nakapalik ka dito, okay, pwede mo pa-oscillate ka. Okay? Okay, then you can stop. Okay, using iPad. I can turn it off. Turn it off, okay, and then turn it on. So you can set it now. I want it to turn on at 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. every day. Wala ka nang iisipin. Okay, and it also tells you at what point of the day your house is the cleanest or otherwise. So it tells you, okay, so way by, okay. Yeah. So this is the home page. And then you go here. It'll tell you today, you go weekly. Okay. It'll tell you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Kailan malinis sa bahay mo. Okay. And this is the simple control. Okay? Off, on. We can oscillate, on. We're supposed to oscillate. So that's the Pure Cool Link brought to you by Dyson, and also our V8 Fluffy, so that we call up all our specialists, and I'd like you to feel the machines in your hand, play around with it, actually Seo. You can show them and you can come here and operate it yourself. Yeah. Okay, let's call up the others. Lahat ng ating mga specialists, please approach anyone and show them our V8 Fluffy. Okay. So that ends my presentation, but I'm still will answer questions from all of you. Okay. So thank you very much, my Bobby. Okay, thank you. All right, who else wants to try it? Okay, so you can use your
Wait, pa. May ba ba? O diba, nalipat na sa internal kaya mas mahaba.
So in terms of